Hi guys, I want to take a quick moment here to give you a very, very fast tutorial on how to add a score to your game. Now we started with score in lesson 20 when you made your side scroller game. I challenged you in lesson 23 to add a score, and score is going to come back to visit you again in our later units. So let's take a look real quick. The first thing you have to do is you have to create a variable and you have to label it score. Now, the block for variable is in the variables toolbox drawer. It starts var x gets blank. So all I did was drag that over here and I gave it a score label and I started the score at 0. The next thing that I did, you scroll down through my code, is I wanted to make the score functional. So if you'll notice right here in my line 52, I said if my player is touching my target, not only is my target going to show up at a random position, but score, the variable score, is going to get an additional 1. So score will get score plus 1. Now keep in mind, this score, you see how it's written? It does not have quotation marks around it. Quotation marks around a word indicates that it is a string, which means that we want the computer to print the word score, not access the information inside the variable score. Okay, I know that gets confusing, but let's take a look further down my program, and let's see where we set up score to actually show up on my screen. So right here is where my code begins. For line 73, I say I want a fill color of black. I want my text size to be 20. I want the text score, see, the word score, do you see how it has quotation marks around it? I want the word score to print. Then I want the variable inside the label score to print, okay? Here's what that looks like. Right up here at the top, I have score and 0. Take one more look here, score and 0. All right, so one more time, I'm going to hit reset, run, and you'll notice that my score now prints the word score. To keep, that's the string, the word score right there. And then the value in the variable score is right there. I have a 1 now because I touched my coin. All right. Now, last thing that I added that you may want to consider is I wanted there to be an end to the game. So I said right here with a control, if score becomes greater than 5, then I wanted there to be a change in background, and I wanted the words "you win" to show up. Now, all I did here is I basically copied the game over text and I pasted it down here and changed it to "you win." Okay. You're welcome to set whatever score you want to be the end of the game. That's your choice. But that is how you create a score. Happy gaming!